What's up, guys? Charles here. First presented at Computex, MSI is gearing up to launch a new expert graphics card based on the RTX 5080. This model features a push-pull dual-fan cooler design, similar to the previous generation RTX 40 Founders Edition cards. For the RTX 50 series, MSI has updated the design with a more prominent gold finish, a new fan style, and a slightly modified shroud. The MSI Expert series is not about RGB lighting, OLED panels, or anime-inspired aesthetics. It takes the opposite approach. The clean and professional design is aimed at content creators while retaining a distinctive cooling solution. The Expert series revealed at CES 2024 was one of the most talked-about custom GPU announcements in recent memory. This model features 10,752 CUDA cores and is paired with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory across a 256-bit bus. Clock speeds reach up to 2,730 MHz in extreme performance mode via MSI Center, while the standard boost frequency is set at 2,715 MHz. The card supports PCIe Gen 5 x16 interface and outputs via 3 display ports, and a single HDMI port capable of 8K at 120 Hz and 4K at up to 480 Hz. The cooling system is built around MSI's Flow Frozer 2 solution. It features dual-fan push-pull airflow, a vapor chamber for direct heat transfer from the GPU and VRAM, and square-core pipes for optimized heat distribution. The card also integrates features such as Zero Frozer for silent operation under low loads, aluminum die casting for enhanced structural integrity and improved airflow, and storm force fans with a 7-blade design to reduce noise while maintaining airflow. The card is quite heavy, nearly 1.9 kilograms, with a 319mm long triple-slot design. This card requires a single 16-pin power connector and is rated for 360 watts TDP. MSI recommends an 850-watt power supply for stable operation, and that's all for today. Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video.